Welcome to our hair clippers comparison. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at two popular choices for hair clippers, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the GLAKER Hair Clippers. Both of these products are designed for professional and home use, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what makes each of these clippers unique and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your grooming needs. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers feature a robust metal construction, which is designed for durability and professional use. In contrast, the GLAKER Hair Clippers utilize stainless steel blades that provide sharpness and precision. While both materials offer quality, the choice between metal and stainless steel may depend on personal preference and intended usage. When it comes to motor performance, the GLAKER hair clippers stand out with a powerful 6500 RPM motor, providing efficient cutting power. On the other hand, the Novah's motor specifications are not explicitly stated, making it difficult to compare directly. Users looking for a reliable and powerful motor may lean towards the GLAKER model. Battery life is a crucial factor for cordless clippers. The GLAKER hair clippers boast an impressive battery life of up to 150 minutes, ensuring extended use without frequent recharging. In contrast, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers do not specify their battery life, which may leave potential buyers wondering about its longevity during use. In conclusion, both the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the GLAKER hair clippers offer unique features catering to different user needs. The Novah excels in build quality, while the GLAKER shines with its powerful motor and battery life. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.